All right, this is my CRUD app for my week 15 assignment. Um, as you can see, I've got um several things in here with creating my CRUD app. I've got my rescue page. This just creates my rescue component and make sure that whenever I delete an animal and add a new animal, they go on to my rescue that I added before, and making sure that I have um in that form underneath a rescue page that I have my input types that make sure that I am able to create a species and able to create animal names. Right. And then if I go into my rescue list, this is just making sure that um, updating and creating and deleting rescues are going through and that it's rendering and making sure that I have my rescue name and then my rescue capacity on the page, and then making sure that the imported rescue here shows up on the page essentially. And then my API, making sure that I have my create, delete, put get, and then my endpoint for my API URL, and then exporting rescue API as my function for my class. Oh, I want to make sure that I'm able to wrap rescue API by initiating a new rescues API. And then it's my animal form. This is just creating a new animal, making sure that I'm able to create a name and a species, and I have an add animal button. Then we can go to the page. All right, so we'll just go through here, make sure that all of the CRUD functions work correctly. So see, I can delete all of my rescues there. Rescue capacity. Let's say it's 3, create rescue, but I have a new animal. I can add a new animal. Let's say it's Kylo. Added species, it's a dog. Add animal. And then boho shows that we have a Kylo and the species is dog. And then you can add another. Let's say the animal name is Ginger. And we'll just say this one's a cat. Add animal. And then we'll make sure that we're able to delete. Make sure we're able to create a new rescue. Let's just call this one your mom, because I'm not very creative right now. And then making sure that I can add animals to this one as well. Let's call this one Nala, and then the species is a dog.